FLOWTAST is a glide bar that replaces the chassis to ensure the best reliability in challenging ground conditions. With FLOWTAST, your rake glides over even the bumpiest ground. Thanks to the large surface area of contact with the ground, deep wheel marks, holes or furrows no longer present a problem. In addition, this system has a larger load-bearing capacity compared to the chassis with wheels. This brings considerable advantages, especially on soft and damp ground. A hydraulic cylinder provides powerful weight alleviation for the rotor arms. This achieves a ground pressure of approximately 200 kilograms. This means minimal wear to glide bar, lower tension on the rake frame, and maximum soil conservation. The hydraulic ground pressure system is adjusted using the existing single-acting spool valve. A pressure gauge for reading the ground pressure is integrated into the mounting frame. The large contact area of the glide bar guarantees the best ground tracking. The distance between the glide bar and tines is minimal. The result, the best time guidance in any terrain. The rotor inclination is preset using spacer plates. An extended service life is ensured by the special wear-resistant plastic. Each glide bar consists of 5 individually exchangeable 15mm thick plates. FLOWTAST is available as an option for the top 842C.
More success with PÖTTINGER.